Happy 4th of July, all my subscribers! Woo! It's a bit early. That's fun. Enjoy the show, my subscribers. Woo! That's my thumbs up by BT Dubs. They're loud, sorry about that. Woo! Whoa! So sparkly. You can have to come here to watch these. Just go in the road. Yeah, you could be in the road. My grandma's doing that right now. Woo! Happy 4th of July, Granny.
Oh, Lord, it looks like it's coming right.
Mine's going good.
Yeah, it looks like it's that is nice. Yeah.
Looks like it's coming towards us, hey.
I'm scared. That is so scary.
Whoa! This is getting close. Ain't this awesome? Bruh, bruh.
That is so it'd be funny if they had a fireworks said.
Whoa, oh my God. I think this is the finale. I think I'm gonna be uploading this tomorrow. Yeah. Yeah, if you see, I'm gonna be uploading this tomorrow. And when I upload it, it's gonna be during the middle of the day, but it's gonna be recorded at night. Cause where I am, they're making it tonight on the 3rd. But tomorrow, when it's gonna be uploaded, I just want to say Happy 4th of July! This is cool. Look at all the smoke. Yeah. Boom, boom. Red, white, and blue. The little ones are the loudest.
Yeah.
Woo! All right, I want to say again, Happy 4th of July, my subscribers.
Oh, the next one just got lit.
Yeah. Oh wait, nope, it's not done. There it goes. There it goes. I think this is the finale. Or maybe I think this is the second truck.
Yeah.
Yep, it is.
Okay, when it's over, I'm going to say about the finale. The smallest ones are the loudest.
Oh, that's so pretty. I love how.
Yeah, I've seen you the video.
Y'all should definitely come next year.
I videoed some of it.
Yeah, I'm videoing it now to put on YouTube.
I'm being 6 minutes.
I didn't video all of it.
Dang. The harder it go, the bigger they will be. Bro, on the camera, that's so pretty.
The delay on the reaction.
Look at the camera. I'm gonna wipe it off a bit. If y'all seen it like in circles, sorry, it's just the camera and the lights. Here they go. Ah, the smallest are the loudest.
Yep.
Bro, it sounds like gunshots.
Yeah, you see the scale?
Gunpowder's in it.
I know.
Yeah, that's weird.
You know, Japanese invented fireworks. Japanese or Chinese people invented it.
China and Japan.
Yeah, because there were actually rockets firing at the enemies.
It is a drone.
China.
Oh yeah, there, I see that drone.
China invented.
Yeah.
China and Japan.
That one's gonna go high.
Woo!
Pretty.
Oh, I like this. Oh, it's been awful.
War's coming.
I can't wait till the finale.
Alright. Please subscribe. Let's have some fun. Happy 4th of July. We'll see y'all tomorrow. You go ahead and upload mine on YouTube.
I'm saving mine to the 4th. Right now it's the 3rd.
I see sparks on the ground.
Yeah.
It's not good. Oh my god, I see fire. I see fire. I see fire. Anybody else see that fire?
It don't matter. It's good.
What fire?
I'm pretty sure with all those fireworks, they're gonna have a fire extinguisher.
Oh yeah, no.
Ooh, this one's going high.
Ooh.
Pew.
I would hate to be strapped to that.
Oh, that was loud.
Yeah.
Oh, look at how that was. That's pretty.
I like how the sparkles just go across the wind.
Hey, I'm going up to the clubhouse.
Peace.
This is a perfect position.
Told ya.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. It's gotta be
The green is still falling.
This has gotta be the finale. And then they have another truckload. That'd be funny.
They got another chocolate?
Probably. They got a lot of fireworks and they big and beautiful. I love when they make it blow up beside each other. Ooh. Oh, I gotta go classic. Ooh. Ah. That echo. Are they done or not?
Is that it?
Oh, no, no.
They ain't done.
Oh!
Finale, this has gotta be the finale. Yeah, this has gotta be the finale.
Told you they shoot them all out. For the finale, all the rest that they had, they slide them all in a row.
I should have recorded that.
Oh yeah, there.
Pop, pop.
This is the one thing I like about having my birthday on the 4th of July.
Fireworks.
Yeah.
Finale. Bro, they're at the same time. Bro, finale.
No. Oh my god, that was 4.
Yeah.
5. Holy crap, that's a lot of fireworks. Oh.
This one's worth it.
Yeah, the wait is worth it. Oh.
Don't you like the finale? It's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, ah.
Holy crap.
You should definitely come next year.
Yeah.
Are these the biggest you've seen or not?
No. It's all bigger.
Well, I'm pretty sure they couldn't get bigger ones about how much they have. Yep, they're still going. I hear them lighting.
Yeah. Still, one more.
Not it?
No. The whole truck is full now.
What if they saved the biggest for last?
That's what I'll do.
Okay. I see him lighting. I see him lighting.
I'm going to end the video soon. Bit too long. Boom.
In 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Started the video. Yeah. It'd be cool if I saved the baby mask. It's like super big.
Yeah.
I like how it goes down to one golden color and then spread down to many different ones. Choo. Boom. I like to go choo.
I like how it blows up, then it goes pop.
Yeah, and you see her go choo. Boom. Now, is this a fireworks show or nah?
It's not. You should have seen the last year's
About like
snow.
the one on the coast.
About. That was bigger. Lazy.
Bruh, that blew up too close to the ground. Did you see that?
Hey, Kim, doing?
I'm recording right now on the show.
Show my butt. Oh, Fred, we gotta go.
Why do you gotta go? The fireworks aren't over yet.
Ronnie's hips are hard.
Huh?
Ronnie's hips.
Ronnie's here.
Hips.
Oh.
It's not, it's just me anyway.
That's about it. See it right there. On the cars way over there. We're not milking it or something, but we're gonna be late that day.
Please.
I'm being serious, Dylan.
I know. I just said okay.
Two at the same time.
Wait till we start walking back that way.
Ah. Is this a ball of waves? Bro, that's